Bluetooth connected.
My fellow Ambazonians, I want come for can salute una for this number 29 day for the month of October for 2020. Una good evening for all man. Good evening for all our papa them, all our mommy them. Good evening for all our uncle them, for all our auntie them. Good evening for all our picking them. Good evening for all man for Ambazonians. Una a salute now, my people them. For all our people them for that side for ground one, with way una salute. For all our people them, what they did for the territory, SSF, with way una salute. For Ambazonia them for that side for Hong Kong, for China, for Malaysia, for Japan, for Singapore, for Australia. So the one they did for Auckland, New Zealand. We are so called una cafe. I talk say for una good night because for una na almost morning time for una for that side for we that missing a Friday for morning time for una for that side because una be 12 hours difference. We get 12 hours time different una. For all Ambazonia them for that side for Middle East where people that don't talk with them for today. For all they call them hustler them for that side for the Middle East. I caught una cafe una shiao for work. All the one the way they did for that side for Mexico and the one the way they did try for what they did for that side for Cuba. All right, and then we all the one the way they did for that side for the Caribbeans for and then we the one the way they did try for cross for enter for America. Una share for work at you for that side, and then the one there for this side for the one there for this side for Europe. I talk say una Asia for evening, una good evening for all una two for that side. And then for all Ambazonia them for this side for this part of the world where they call and say North America. Una good afternoon because na 2:40 for afternoon for this side for Toronto and for Washington DC. All right, the time for people then for California and for that side for Edmonton for Canada. Or una they get different times, but now still afternoon for all man. So una good afternoon for all una. Some people they still there for morning. So una good afternoon for una still there 3 hours behind. All man, una welcome. Today we go get a very good outing today. I want just come for can give una a very good and important update for keep our people them from know waiting the forces that they do for ground zero. For talk for una about the strategy where the general they implement for ground zero and the workway that they do for make sure say our people they be safe, for make sure say our community they stay strong. So I go to take una go for that side for Manu. Yes, I go to take una go for Manu. Before we want go for the make a salute all our friends and where the first day for year first. Ma salute all our friends and then we'll go start. All right, Big Mami Erika Zara Ndira. I salute you. Talk say 21 gun salute for our PS. Thank you, Mami. Before we want go for the I don't know so I hear myself for speaker. All right, Comrade Victor Atanga, I salute you. I salute you. Vivi la vie. I like their name, Sote. Vivi la vie. Their name sweet, Sote. Vivi la vie. Vivi la vie. If you be woman, may I hope say your man they treat you fine because just for your name alone, Vivi la vie. Let me say you be sweet woman. Vivi la vie. I salute you, Vivi la vie. All right, Comrade Ketcha, we salute you, Don Man, for that side for our able admin sec. We salute you. You said 101 Amoka salute. Thank you very much. Comrade Frank, we salute you. Ma Messi, we salute you, Miss Beric. All right. And Bani, we salute you to Moses. All right. Ango, we salute you, Mfomi. We salute all our Comrade Martin. We salute you, Yaki. Yaki Gaddafi. Well, these people them when I know Kima will laugh so. See your name. Yaki Gaddafi. Well, Yaki Gaddafi will salute you too for that side. Whether you come on for that side for Gaddafi country, we salute you too. If you didn't for that side, they watch you from that side. Welcome. Comrade Joseph, Mr. Mukong, we salute you. Ajon, we salute you, Comrade Martin. We salute you. Mbole, we salute you, Mr. Kingsley. Welcome, Comrade Pump Down, Bryant, Mr. Bryant Williams. We salute you. Comrade Sata, Ozole. Salute. Oh, welcome, Oman. Comrade Usman, we salute you too. All right, we welcome. Ma Messi, we cut you cafe. All right. Oh, Bonnie, we salute you, Mr. Steven. Welcome, all man. Yes, Comrade John Leakey, the dullest guy for that side for Victoria, for Canada. Welcome. Yes, Mishi, we salute you, Mr. Clovis. Welcome, all man. All right, Igwe. Well, Igwe. Well, Super Igwe. We salute you, Igwe. I don't know what he mean, but I know say for what will be the word Nigerian movie them. We know say Igwe na big chief for Juju. We salute you, Igwe. If I be wrong, I beg correct me. But not just say we know say Igwe na big chief. So if you be Igwe don't come for can join with you. Welcome. All right. Welcome, Mr. Asai. We salute you too. All right, Mr. Baye, we salute you. Mr. Yongo, we salute you too. Mr. Clement or Clementine, we salute you too. Who today for you? Mr. Dicalo, we salute you. Mr. Takang Matthias, we salute you. Vitalis Kenzo, we salute all man Afika. All man, when I welcome for house, we'll get a very nice story. All right, Comrade Torre, we salute you. Juliet, we salute you, Mr. Juliet. Brian, we salute you, Mr. Brian. Brian, yes. Forte, we salute you, Mr. Cosmos. We salute all man. All right, make we start. Before we want start, as always, when I sabi say I like that we lead the Paris, the music we don't knock 'em so. So make we cut that music small. At least make we shake skin for house, and then we start. We lead the Paris. It's a Biamba boy. So say Tanganji to the talk say Biamba boy. So now which one?
Je suis le leader de la 3e génération. Ah ouais. Amba boy, c'est moi. Pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous. Wally on the move. Maman Ambazonia, Marie-Félicité de Londres. Les anglophones, tu les assassines. Pardon, libère-nous. Les femmes enceintes, toi, tu les brûles. Pardon, libère-nous. Les journalistes, tu les assassines. Pardon, libère-nous. Les politiciens, tu les emprisonnes. Pardon, libère-nous. Dis donc, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous. Dis donc, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous. Yes. Nos diplômés de Bensikina, t'as divisé les Camerounais, le tribalisme dans la patrie, 40 ans de dictature. Dis donc libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous. Dis donc libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous. Iske Mayo, le manager des managers. Quand they don't tell you say wata na wata, you never confirm it. You go confirm anytime. Say koki we no get oil na egusi pudding. That means say le koki qui n'a pas l'huile, c'est le pistache. Tu vas l'huile. Listen, when you wear muna for 18 ans, when you no get bolo, you go add credit for bar. On a listé franchement. Et j'y peux les non. Écoute la jeunesse camerounaise qui commande dans un bar. On a souffrance. On a beaucoup souffert. Franchement. Ami yo, abe for mimbo. Money no day today, I go pay you tomorrow. Mami yo, abe for mimbo. Money no day today, I go pay you tomorrow. If I the line, me wata carry me go. Kumba wata. Wali on the move, me wata carry me go. Kumba wata. If I the line, me wata carry me go. Kumba wata. Me wata carry me go. Kumba wata.
All right. We'll be talking, make we shake small skin. My fellow Ambazonians, when I welcome you, when I don't take the time for join we, make we go for the Tori proper. As all we don't sabi, as all we already know, say during this phase for our war of independence, would they now for the phase where would they between the liberation phase and the transition phase? Now the places who they. So as the leader already tell the Ambazonian people, would they now for the phase for start for stabilize ground zero? Because I've just come up for talk with a brother, we there for that side for Thailand, and we'll get a very, very good conversation for some of these things then. So
nice story.
So for the place where all we there, we then now for a very critical phase. So if I say for an ongoing basis, what people they know place where would they and place where would they go, so that all we move for the same direction. Right now, make all man know say we there now for complete the liberation phase. At the place that we there now. I know say for a lot of people them, for all the happens for the things that happen for ground, you need to give our people them that sense. Say they say we actually complete the liberation phase. A lot of people. So what goal now for can't help our people. They make them understand place where they and why the things that they happen. For the real for waiting they really go on for ground zero now. Now the end of La République du Cameroon, I just know so. La République, in terms of the occupation of Ambazonia, in terms of the ability for administer the occupation for even govern Ambazonia, that one na old story. That one na old story. They not fit, they not get the capacity for administer or for try for administer their government for Ambazonia anymore. They not get that capacity. Waiting when they see for Ambazonia, not just their military remain. The only thing we remain for La République du Cameroun for Ambazonia, now their military, police, gendarmes, and their security people them. Now the only thing that we remain. In terms of La République colonial civil administration, we don't dismantle that one. That one don't already be dismantled. Even Lele l'Afrique, it is stand for Bafoussam. It only come for Bamenda. Now when the needy may can take picture or make small video. So La République for their colonial civil administration when I been at the occupational government for Ambazonia, that one already be dismantled. In terms of their ability for govern Ambazonia, there is no way La République du Cameroun fit govern Ambazonia anymore. So many Ambazonia people know that one. So now once you take off, you take away the ability for govern Ambazonia, and then you move all the civil administrators them. You know say the game don't finish politically. The only thing we remain now, their military them, where they only day now for the big towns them. If we don't see them, La République don't, we already wipe them out, move them all for all the small villages them. We don't move them all. They only day now for the big town them. Now only for the big town, the fish she don't for the fish stay for day, and even for the big town them, when they see say for place where they day now inside bunkers them. They not feel work anyhow. So now the level that we would they now. So what did this one mean for Ambazonia? What did it mean now? Na say as we move closer, we start now or work now for start for bring Ambazonia communities them under total Ambazonia control for project or control of the territory. So when they kill Ayeke, over the circumstances where the lead for Ayeke die, those communities, they be traumatized. by the work of Ayeke and Daiman. They really traumatize our communities them. They cause a lot of pain for our community them. So when they kill Ayeke and La Republique, if you go for these communities them, for go carry Ayeke die body. The moment they carry Ayeke die body, they leave for our people them. They come out. General Efang immediately he sent the forces. He sent the general. He sent a big general for Momo, General Sumanguru, Grandpa Devo. They send me for Manu. For go stabilize the community. For go assure our community. For go empower our community. For go comfort our people them. The general go there with a very big squad. For go tell the people of Manu, the people of Tali. For go tell them, they say, wait till they don't go through in the hands of forces the way their ways do not be straight. It not reflect the character of our war of independence. It not reflect witty while forces they don't rise up for fight for. They go there for go show who will be as a people and witty a defense force of the Ambazonia Defense Forces. Which is the force mean for the Ambazonian people them. Which is stand for and which is be work. So I know say Comrade Capo be talk about this briefly. I want make una take una time. Una see what community and what forces them.
May God give a power and come for say no thing. So with the beg say may God give a power and come for say no thing. We will be that way. May God bless you.
I'm not going for the way before. My man, our brother. Yeah, power and talk. Okay.
For the whole of this service, and yet I don't do now. Senior man who village. So, as we don't come to, for make them will be in peace, who are beginning to visit we here all the time. Because when I make us when I go, if you know that place don't go, you will start your
I'm not going to answer you. Look place. Where would you stay there for here? Look with play would you stay for here? Find a place for you would you stay for here? Me they remember that bridge, you know, come on again when you that
we come here, say one dialogue with you about see how we work through it. But since they deny, they say na bush find them. Since they no fit collaborate with you now, they decide say na bush find them. Okay, they wash it down for bush, we wash it down for here with you now. Like that one now? We wash it down for here with you. You don't hear?
maybe all my life I will go separate the side for a live for the go with it.
Yes.
All my life I move shit over here. That's what it will be.
Like that one now? We wash it down for here with you. You don't hear?
Maybe all my life I will go separate the side for a live for the go with it.
Yes.
All my life I move shit over here. That's what it will be.
Ambazonians, una see una generals, Una the see una commander. Now our forces then at the general that, at the big general that for the great state of Momo. Now he come out so he go for Manu. For go comfort our people them. For go protect our people them. For go assure our communities. For go give hope. For go make our people, they make them feel say, no man don't forget them. Say they get forces where they go protect them. They get forces with a code of conduct. So that it reflects the character and the aspiration of the Ambazonian people them. They come out from Momo, go right for Manu. For go represent Ambazonia. For make sure say, we show our people the best of who will be. Because now the country that will build them. We build a country now for our people them. Our forces that they fight now for the Ambazonian people them. So that's why our code of conduct of our forces them, it reflect na the character of our people them. It reflect na the values of our people them. It reflect na the values of Ambazonia. We build a country based on high values. Where our people they come first. The lives of Ambazonian people come first. The protection of the Ambazonian people come first. The dignity of our people them come first. Now the country that will belong. Now the thing that way our forces that they demonstrate them for any place where they go. Especially for distressed communities. Now for make sure say the Ambazonian people say no matter the stress, no matter the pain, they will get hope. They will stay committed. They will stay resilient. Because they know say the only hope for them na the future. The past be very painful. That's why the forces if it travel that far. For go comfort our people then. The General Efang do already start for implement the stabilization plan. Wait till una the siam na the implementation this of the takeover. Now the implementation this of the stabilization plan where Dr. Ayaba lay them out because we move now, we they in between the end of the liberation phase into the transition phase. So we got for start for stabilize our community then. Where our community they start for feel that independence, they start for feel that freedom for all the places where we don't drive like Republic Day. Ambazonians they get for start for get a taste of Ambazonia. They get for start for get a taste of the freedom. So the stabilization plan, even though Dr. Ayaba just launched them, but the general for ground, it already start for the work. For make sure say we make our communities they be stable for all the liberated areas. Make I play this second video for now for the interaction between the general and the community, so that we go really get a strong sense of what this thing really be for Ambazonia. Because the future of Ambazonia don't almost be secure. So all man get for no say, we don't almost complete this work. And at the time this for all we, irrespective of who you support, who you believe in, irrespective. Now the time this for all man for support the stabilization plan. Because now they hope this for the Ambazonian people then. There's nothing else left.
You remember me against this, so you don't end me on top. But meanwhile, the member see this, they end me on top. No.
Ambazonia now una general that. Una see una money. Una see the money una donate them for ADF. Una see the weapons so that they carry them. Now una general that. General Grandpa, una see the weapons where they carry them. They need to work and a small worker. When they did road, La Republique, the pig ball run. Because of the way they come.
If you get problem with your brother, you can't find it. Innocent, you can't find it. If you're a good brother, he will find a way for even call you say, bro, I don't hear say you don't can't find me. Now how we do things them? That one to show some love and unity. But if your brother will hear say you don't can't find for small misunderstand the way when I get them. You come inside Bangabu claim on top here, go claim on social media, say cross manu. You will know who be he. As a citizen inside Ambazonia, you get right for enter inside any county where Ambazonia. When no man not stop you, get right for people where Ambazonia. So far as we Ambazonia, you know what we enter some place, some man tell you say if you cross manu, I go outside which side. If you man go outside, maybe I land, go outside, no side, no they go there. I get my motor. You do any you see any no point this, no don't go a point and no kill me. I will shoot you. When you point me that I will kill you. So now I answer that. When they be call me, the first that time when they be call me, they are leave for this one way. When I be there the Salim market, I call General Diamond. Tell me come out, talk with bra. You never come out. When I want to go reach for us, I hear na audio way. You don't want to prevent our fight. That's why I don't go. I don't already destroy it, so you know they for peace. It didn't all of the kids brutalized, but that's why I don't go back. I come back at the camp for the men. So for the moment I do, I start day, I know they go. A day and I remain.
You know they, now steady.
That one I'm talking with respect to our civilian.
So my people wanna be hopeful. The Ambazonia Defense Forces. Now the papa and mommy for all the defense groups and for ground. Every single defense group for ground zero, where it not get a proper structure, it not get a command and control structure, it not get a code of conduct. We go help them, for give them a proper command and control structure and the code of conduct. All groups for ground zero, they go comply with the code of conduct of the Ambazonia Defense Forces. What generals now they combat kidnapping for ransom. Because all these groups them, where they get a one-man commando, some person go own a group and they go take that group for turn for business. For see who would give the highest amount of money, and then they scam this group, and then they go scam that group just because they want to take the revolution take them, begin to make money. It need the advance Ambazonia. We want to make all the groups them, they work together with a code of conduct so that the first start for implement the stabilization plan for ground zero, for keep our communities them safe, stabilize our community them, protect our people them, and carry out joint operations for flush out La Republique du Cameroon from the big cities them. We need more for end this war, for move La Republique for all the big towns them. The people them for Atlantic State, they cry, oh, ADF need for do more. ADF need for do more. ADF don't carry the whole load for the revolution for a head. General F don't ask for 250 AK when $500,000. If una want make we do more, we ask all Ambazonian them, we contribute the money, we get the job done. We want to go capture Boya. The plan there for capture Boya. The plan there how many soldiers we need them for move them into Boya so that they fit take over the governor's the Prime Minister Lodge, capture the governor's mansion, move all the colonial administrators them there and capture all them. The plan there. The plan there for move in for Kumba and flush all those people them out. So waiting remain now the continuous supply of these forces so that we make the forces that become so big. Now only one thing remain for Ambazonia for gain recognition. One. Now when La Republic don't finish your ground zero, Ambazonia go for take over. But you need to take over by nothing. Now war this, now war of independence. The world they calculate how many forces will fit show them for the world for project say Ambazonia get the capability, the capacity and the means for defend the territory and bring stability for that part of the Gulf of Guinea. Now they equation this to recognition. You flush La République du Cameroon. Yes, you don't flush them out. You don't make sure say the territory be ungovernable. You make sure say La République, colonial administrators, they need to free work again for Ambazonia. Now what? You don't create a gap. Who got for filling that gap? If you're not filling the gap, no man of you recognize you. So the strategy, La République already be defeated. The forces that they do their best for ground. Now we got for filling that gap for all over Ambazonia. And at the place this way, the Ambazonia Defense Stabilization Plan, it come in. For make sure say we fill in that gap. And we show the world a force where it be so big. Because now they, as Dr. Ebatoka, now the equation, the prerequisite, that means that the only thing that will be missing for Ambazonia for be recognized. So as we move in now for this last phase them, the leader they appeal for all now. We want to move all our generals and send them for all various communities. We don't want me to go there with empty hand. We want when they want enter community. We want be able for send 100 forces here. We send 50 forces for there. We send 100 forces for there. We send 100 forces for there. We want to make sure say Ambazonia stand very strong on the ground. Okay? We want to make sure say Ambazonia stand very strong. If we not project our power for ground zero, there's no recognition. If we not project our power for ground zero, for make the world see we powerful. If you don't defeat La République du Cameroon, you don't really wipe them out. Then why would not we just do this last work? Project ourselves. Make the world see we say we'll be powerful enough. We'll be capable enough for stabilize Ambazonia. Because the war don't cause a lot of instability. We be been as until we net for do for move La République. But once you create that instability, you got to stabilize the ground again. Now the responsibility is this for all now. So for all now, when I watch, all man with the talk say the one make this thing, it can't make end quick. Now only you hold the key, make it end quick. Now you hold the key, make it end quick. Donate for the stabilization plan. Negotiation go determine the kind of negotiation we go get and go determine how strong will be for ground. If we not be strong, we go get na negotiation where La Republique go get an upper hand. The stronger we be, and we project that strength for ground, now we go get the upper hand. Now we go determine the outcome of the negotiation, because now we control the territory, not La Republique. But if we don't already defeat La Republique of Cameroon, and then we not project the power, so if we control that territory, then La Republique will still get an upper hand for negotiation. Because the world will still want to depend on La Republique security and military infrastructure for keep that place stable. And the thing is all we need to understand. That's why we take the time for come out, for explain them for all man. For we for minimize the incidents that they happen like for Kumba. We need that big force. TTOF, now the place where all man need for go for make that commitment. We not challenge on ourselves. We not stretch on ourselves for make sure say we make this thing make it happen. For make sure say we get this 250 AK when a $500,000. Make we not only end when something happen for ground zero, we cry, and then La Republique distract we. If we not be careful, we go always be distracted by La Republique of Cameroon. The thing we were supposed to do for take back control and complete the operation take over, we no go do am. Because La Republique again, now for keep on for distract we. That's why they do those things for our people then. So that they go distract we. So that we know we focus on the strategy. So that we know say they say we already defeat them. So that we know say they say they don't lost control. Now their only hope that La Republique no get no other hope. No not enough to save La Republique for Ambazonia. Now we hold the yam. Now we hold the knife. Now how hungry you want freedom for Ambazonia? Now how badly you want see Ambazonia me be free? The intensity of your desire for see Ambazonia me be free, it get for be demonstrated by your commitment for contribute for the stabilization program. Not tell me say kidnapping therefore it really happen for ground zero and you no one commit and contribute for the forces for clean up kidnapping for ground zero. No complain say they say La Republique they do this thing for our people then and you no one commit and contribute for the forces for help flush La Republique out and protect our people then. If you not like what did happen for ground, you not like what La Republique do for our people then you get now one responsibility only. The only way for stop them now for you for commit and contribute for the defense stabilization so that we build a kind capacity where if we help for stop those things. I hear complaints say we get internet problem. People they complain. So our internet we get internet problem. So now how badly you want make Ambazonia be free? Now how quickly you want to see the freedom of Ambazonia? How quickly? The answer to that question. Now you hold on. How badly you want the freedom? How quickly you want the freedom? How quickly you want to see a stable and free Ambazonia? It be none for your hand. Dr. Abba don't give na the roadmap. It don't give na the strategy. The strategy don't help for defeat La Republique for ground zero. The strategy don't create the gap. Ambazonia need to fill that gap. The strategy don't create a security vacuum. a stability vacuum, a protection vacuum. That vacuum therefore be filled by the Ambazonian people then. The earlier we fill that vacuum, the faster we will gain recognition. The faster other countries will stand now for come out. Because now they know say, we don't defeat La République du Cameroon. La République no fit govern Ambazonia. But when I show we say, when I fit control the territory. When I show we say, they say, when I fit maintain peace. When I show we say, when I fit maintain, when I fit protect the people them. When I stop for Christ say, La République du commit genocide. Take back control by taking back control of the territory by your commitment. Because when we cry, when people they talk say La République du commit genocide, La République du commit genocide. When I talk say they say make the world hold La République accountable for human rights crimes. Yes, the world will do that one. If the world hold La République accountable for human rights crimes, those things not mean say Ambazonia go be free. Even if they take Paul Biya go lock him today, it not miss for a war crimes against Ambazonia. It not miss say Ambazonia go gain independence. It not miss say Cameroon occupation go end until the Ambazonian people do the hard work. And at the last 5 days, and we fit do the hard work. How sweet it go be. Say 500 Ambazonians, they come out, they give $1,000 for say I want to see the end of these atrocities and for ground zero. I want to see a free Ambazonia. The road must be very clear. The victory be very clear. Make we claim that victory. Make all man stretch himself and herself. Make all man. If you love what people them, and you want to see the freedom of homeland, and you want to see say more Ambazonia they survive, then stop talking and start act. Donate, contribute. Go for TTOF.net. Go put your $1,000. Go do what that family for Lanta Duam. Papa gather a woman, gather their pikin. They say now what it is. We want to see a free Ambazonia. Now our $5,000 this. You want a free Ambazonia? Dr. Ababitel will say no will be a walk in the park. Every other political drama where they can't fool when I don't fail. Now what else, man? When I be thinking they will just come lie when I say Ambazonia will get independent, and then independent will just come so. It requires investment. You want freedom? Invest. You want me and mommy to be free? Give your $1,000. You don't want the killings anymore on ground zero? Give your $1,000. You want me to get rid of all the kidnappings on ground zero? Give your $1,000. You don't get $1,000? Give your $500. You don't get 500? Give $250. Find 3 other people, give $250. When I stop for complain. Now freedom this. No man will come out there, will come out ground zero, it come for diaspora, it just can she don't so, and then money just come for his skin. It is like freedom. You must work for it. The UN never ever give some person free. I hope say the UN when they talk say the UN. All when they study political science. I hope say this revolution don't teach you now what to be UN. It don't teach you now what to be the international system. All those old book when I be learn them. I hope say now when I go move on for una head, una towe and for bush. Say nonsense, say international system. If you don't make yourself powerful, the international system be useless for you. You don't make yourself powerful and constructive, the international system will be useless for you. The international system will use you. That's why you need a leadership where you understand these things and you understand how to build a good system for the benefit of the people, and it will give the people them hope and aspiration and a better future. We're there for the best place ever. My people. On the diplomatic side, if we not only know the kind of people the way the leadership of Governing Council of Ambazonia, they shouldn't talk with them. If we not see one picture of the people that they get meeting with them, no man will tell when I'm give $10,000. Some of them go sell in a house, take the money give for ADF. But you know why they need to do those things? Because they no one use what diplomacy as PR for the egg of C and ADF. They know will do those things for kill, for make these international partners them, may they not continue for work for Ambazonia anymore. Just because we want to play some people them. When I go see the results in due time. The world will talk for una in due times. Then say they will reveal them in due times. Una go know. Doctor, but don't tell una. Even in for meeting the way the whole of people them, it tell them say in due times. You go can't tell una. And for when the time come, now una say una go see them. Now the international community, it go the talk am, not be Dr. Eba, not be egg of C. So for all what you want, la Republic don't finish. For ground zero, now we now get for filling the gap. The Defense Stabilization Fund or plan. Now for filling that gap, take control of Ambazonia, project Ambazonia, and then we'll gain one recognition. Now in that. Even when we will fight, even when they go the day for negotiating table, fighting will still go on. And also, even when they start for the real negotiation, they go on. La Republique will still fight. So Muna understand this game. Make no man no can fool you say the day where they call negotiation, it means say fight don't finish. No, it never finish. Instead, now that time the fighting go intensify. Well, you know, because now all about who still get more control power for ground and who not get them. Because now power for ground go determine the nature of negotiation and the outcome of negotiation. So if we don't defeat La Republique of Cameroon, we project Ambazonia, then the world go give we what we want. If we don't defeat La Republique of Cameroon, I will not provide the security, the stability, and the protection, then the world will still want to make La Republique find way. They want still use La Republique for do those things, and then they go try for see how they feel make sure say Ambazonia be a little bit satisfied. When at the end, you know one make the world give away 50% of what you ask for. And no one do anything in terms of reconciliation with La Republique of Cameroon. We don't want them. At the end of La Republique for Ambazonia, and I think that way we go for project Ambazonia for the level where we no one even made the world even think. So they feel count on Cameroon for provide stability, security for Ambazonia because the Ambazonia people be incapable. If we do one, now one will be the biggest mistake for the Ambazonian people then. So they defeat La Republique of Cameroon and they leave them because will not be fit for do the necessary funding for stabilization. We leave them. The world still count on La Republique and then they come up with a compromise solution. It could be now the biggest failure for the Ambazonian people, and it could be now a disgrace for people when they woke up, they talk say they want a war of independence.